Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Yes, wearing a gold shirt. It's a gold day, as predicted, as expected. Well, in fact, can I say that? We've got 1 minute to go. Well, I am saying it because it makes perfect sense. We have got the banks beating by 100% today. All the banks performing well. 100% of the banks up big time today. BlackRock, another new member, Bar
has become a member.
Thank you much indeed. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to some audio coming from somewhere. Yes, let me just mute that. There we go. All right, so we're seconds away. We're going to go to Wall Street, bring you the CPI data. It's a huge day. Banks are all up today. The futures are up. My portfolio is up. I'm already in. This is it. This is what we're talking about. This proves today that the jobs report was not inflationary. UK has dropped big on inflation. Banks have beat 100%. All the banks, that's what I mean by that, have beat. And here we go. Figures seconds away. Stand by.
The Nasdaq actually ended lower, and
core inflation 0.3.
Just 11 points
previous
at the end of the
forecast.
Session. Today we'll see where things stand because producer prices prices don't necessarily indicate
0.2. Yes, another beat.
But again,
another beat, and core inflation is down as well. Fantastic. Everything is down. Inflation rate 0.4, 0.3. Yes. Everything is a beat, and there it goes. There it goes. We're already ahead of it. I love it, loving it. I'm loving it like this.
Yes, a lot riding on it.
Get in.
Yesterday we did make some hay with the short-term month-over-month on PPI, but the year-over-year was still sticky, well over 3%.
Here we go to $1 million bucks.
Mild progress is made. Same may be true today. We want to pay very close attention to year-over-year on retail inflation, and here we go. Consumer Price Index for December.
It's all done.
0.4 on the
headline. Don't chase it. You should already be in.
As expected. To find a higher number than 0.4, you're going all the way back to August of 2023 when it was up 0.5%. Strip out the all-important food and energy, up 0.2, 1/10 cooler than we expected, 1/10 cooler than the rear-view mirror, up 0.2. How does that comp? We equal July of 24. Find a lower number, you go back to June of 24. Year-over-year numbers, here we go. On the headline, year-over-year, up 2.9. As expected, and I always question how much more important as expected is to the fact that it's 0.2 higher than our last look, which was 2.7. To find a number higher than 2.9, you're going to June of last year.
Road to $1 million bucks.
Finally,
don't need to do anything now.
Year-over-year core, it's 3.2%. 1/10 lighter than the rear-view mirror, 1/10 lighter than expectations. But, 3.2 is a little bit of progress. It equals where we were in August. Now, that equals August. To find a lower number, you're really going in the Wayback Machine. You have to find a 3% number, and that's all the way back in April of 21. Now, many don't look at the indices. I look at the indices.
I look at them.
This really says it all. Okay, if you look at the CPI index, started in 1913, it now is 315.605, 315.16. That's the second highest number ever. The highest, the record, was October of 24. If you look at this, pretty much every month we make new all-time highs. So it's nice that we pulled back just a smidge. And if we look at the year-over-year, core, going all the way back to 1957, 323.38. That is a new all-time high. What does that tell me? We could look at these numbers based on expectations like we do, but the reality is, even yesterday,
everyone tapped the like. We were spot on again.
Numbers, it just means that the inflation rate is growing more slowly. It isn't going in reverse, and that's what these indices tell us, that virtually anybody out there watching that isn't an economist, they feel the pressure of rising prices, and it's a pressure that very much never seems to ease off. We don't normally have negative numbers. And speaking of negative numbers, there's one I haven't pointed out yet. Empire was also out. January number, kind of real time, minus 12.6. Minus 12.6 would be the weakest, going back to minus
everyone
15
smash
and
the like
May
button
of last year. Still see that manufacturing
100% likes.
is a
Come
bit
on.
curtailed. Interest rates moving significantly lower here, significantly lower. Maybe it was the month-over-month core. Maybe it's the fact that we came in as or a little light on expectations, what the market prepared for. But like yesterday, we want to watch the secondary and tertiary response as we get closer to the opening of equities, because it may be a very short-lived rally pushing yields down. And I do want to point out that we have traded slightly on an intraday basis above 480 in a 10. We touched 5% yesterday briefly in a 30. And the dollar index, well, even monetized now on Monday, it was at a 26-month high close. Becky, back to you.
Okay, Rick, stay right there. A lot of analysis. We need more from you, but we also want to bring in the rest of our panel. Priya Misra, who is fixed income portfolio manager.
Okay, that's all we need. So another good day. Now, the reason why I called today's show 100% banks, gold, and all the rest of it, why I'm wearing a gold jacket, why there's gold everywhere, is because I was 100% certain that the jobs report was not inflationary. I was 100% on the banks this morning. I said that the banks would beat. 100% of the banks beat this morning. We've got Citi coming up later. They've already beaten, I believe. They'll be doing their report. It's another great day. It's a great day for investors. Over 100 grand again. There she goes. Look at that. I'm up 3%. Don't tell me you cannot get rich and successful by just simply owning the S&P 500. You absolutely can. 134.5, 134.288 right now. I was 128,000 3 days. It's 3 days ago. It's 127,000 3 days ago. Absolutely fantastic. There we go. 135,000. Now remember, I have got a lot more shares now. A lot more shares now than I've ever had before. I'm all in. I don't need to buy a single share now to get to $1 million. And then the 10 million will just follow just by holding for another few years, the way I'm consistently adding anyway. But there it is. It's a great day. Nothing to really say. So BlackRock reported this morning. Fantastic report. Why I put 100% on, so everyone knows. Please do not follow my trades. If you're buying the stock that I own now, you're just pumping up my bag. That's what you're doing. I bought when it went down. Everyone said inflation and all the rest of it. Blah blah blah. So there it is. It's a great day. It's a great day today. I'm extremely excited. 3,159, up 3.26. Couldn't really be a better day than this. Everything has gone as planned. BlackRock has performed well. The other banks have performed well. 100% of the banks have performed well. And this is all great. Now we're going to get the FOMC report. That's in a couple of weeks' time. In fact, I'll give you the exact date of that. I'll go over the numbers again in a minute, just so everyone can understand exactly what's going on. Yes, it's January the 29th, the Fed. Now, what do I want from the Fed report? I want 100%, I do not want a rate cut. Do not want a rate cut. I want it to be another pause. Now, you might say I would love a rate cut. Yes, I would love a rate cut. With the amount of margin I got, I would love another 0.25% discount in my interest payments. But no, I don't want that. I want slow and steady. Hold it up for another few months. It's coming down. Inflation's coming down. The UK inflation's coming down today. Banks are making money. GDP is up. Every single metric you want is great. It's a perfect time to be an investor. So I don't want the rates to come down. I don't want them to come down. I want them to pause. But what I want is a nice dovish response from Jerome Powell, which we'll get. He will simply start by saying, as he always does, we will be looking. We are data dependent. We'll be looking at the figures, and its systems go as normal. We've decided to hold the rate, but we are confident in the future. Everything is great. So it's good. I'm very, very happy with what we're going to get. This is an absolutely stunning day. Absolutely fantastic. Anyway, let's bring all the comments and questions in. We're at 309 watching right now. This is I think a record for 7:30 in the morning, isn't it? Isn't it 3? Isn't that a record? So anyway, let's have a look here. We've got the fear index has gone from extreme fear into fear. Don't be surprised if it moves at the edge of fear, touching neutral. I doubt if it will get to neutral today. We are still in a uncertain market because of Donald Trump coming into office. So there is that concern. But however, people are extremely eager to get in. So I don't want to see it go into greed. I want this to take time. This is a very, 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 very good day today for investors. It's bloody awful if you're a gambler or a shorter. You're thinking, oh my God, I thought the markets were going down the toilet. Well, did you get that wrong? I'm up $3,000. Look at that. My portfolio now 135,158. Unbelievable. Right. The all-time high, remember, is 137. And look how far down we are. If we go and look at the week, oh, we're up now on the week. We're now finally up on the week. We're still down on the month. Look, we're $3.5 grand down on the month. And yet I'm only $2 away from an all-time high. That's because I bought all of these dips. Bought from here. I was buying more and more and more, doubling. Bought a load. I bought 10, 15 shares of the S&P this day. Bought a couple more here. And now we're getting rewarded. And Enphase Energy, look at that. I just got an announcement. Enphase Energy is booming today. Of course it will boom today. Nearly 4% I'm up now. Bloody hell. Right. Okay, let's go through the numbers. Let's get excited. We've got so much to cover today. Earnings season is in full swing. We're going to cover all of it. Now, I have to say, I am sorry I put on my social media today. I'm very, very sorry. I could not do BlackRock earnings this morning for the simple reason that I was a little bit overwhelmed last night. I know I did the show and the performance, if you like, but it was very, very emotional last night. Taking on, that Hood XRP, the XRP attack with MSK. And even though I know everyone loved it and I got through it and everyone said I did well and everything else, it emotionally drained me and I was exhausted last night. And I said to Leah, I need to go out. I need to get some air. I went for a walk and, I just could not be up this morning doing BlackRock. I know I am always here and I'm always doing, doing what I do, but I'm a human, you know what I mean? It's difficult. It is difficult sometimes taking everything on the chin for everybody, and so I just couldn't do it this morning. I just couldn't do it, so I apologize for not covering. But always remember, I never cancel an event, ever. It wasn't advertised. It wasn't an event on the channel. If it was, I would have been there, whatever. But I didn't post it, and I just didn't post it. Anyway, okay, let's go for all the comments. Before we get into the show, let's get this thing moving. Let's get a world record today, as we should. Right? Okay. Let's everyone subscribe. We're just a few away now from 60,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers a day. We are absolutely beating. If you look at most YouTube channels, no one has a growth like this. Look at your TubeBuddy and you can see exactly what everyone's doing. Right, okay, tap the like button. Let's have some fun. Are you ready? Let's get 100 likes in 10 seconds. You ready? Right, here we go. 100 likes in 10 seconds. Share this information out. It's a huge day. How many people are watching? 314. Mr. Beast correctly says only 50% of you are signed in, so only 150 would be possible. So we're going to go straight to 100 in 10 seconds. Are you ready? We're starting out at 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone smash the like button. It's a huge day today for investors. We are at 87. Boom. Get in. Come on. Another 10 seconds. Everyone smash the like button. Let's go up straight away to 100. Straight away to 100. 97. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. 3 more. And we're there. We're already at 100. 97. Absolutely great. Go on. 3 more. 304 watching. So the best we could get if everybody signed in could do it. There we go. Boom. Straight away. 100. I'm loving it. All right. Let's go straight to 150. We are the best Lucas Aid army in the world. Because there is only one, right? We're the only one. best network in the world. 297, 300 now nearly watching, 150 is the best you could possibly get. That's 50% of everybody, because that's all we have signed in. 131. Do you know what? I'm going to stay here for 1 minute. We're going to go straight to 150, right? We're going to do it. It's an amazing day. It's why I'm wearing a gold jacket. It is a gold day. I'm very, very excited. The figures came in great today. Let me refresh it for you so you can see. It was consensus was 0.2. We got 0.2 previous. Forecast 0.3. It came down to 0.2. Year on year 3.2, down from 3.3. Great stuff. Year on year 2.9 as expected. CPI 315. Okay, we've already done all of that. Fear index, is it moving? Not yet, really. Let's see what we've got. How many people have liked now? 147, 149. One more. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Boom. There it is. 100% of likes. I'm absolutely loving it. There you go. Up 3.5% today. Great day. Woo! What a day it is to be in the market. Right, let's go to comments and questions. Okay, here we go. Let's start with all your questions. Bar just became a new member. If on the hour, so in 15 minutes, I will do onboarding. I do onboardings on the hours. Okay, so in 15 minutes, I will onboard you. If you become a member of the show, there is the membership link. I will upgrade you to Discord. So hopefully by now you've clicked on the Discord link. Do not accept any friend requests from anyone. I do not send them. There's loads of fake Martyn Lucases on every social media platform. You have to send me one. There's the information. Verify your email. I'll be back on the hour in 15 minutes on board you and give you all your membership perks. If you want to follow me on X and Instagram, we're smashing it on X and Instagram right now. I will engage and I will respond and I will answer questions to all my members. Very, very nice. So there you go. Get that sorted out. There's X, there's Instagram. Okay. Let's carry on. Hi, Mike and Stephen. Hi, everyone. Good morning, Mike, Martin, Leah, Bart, and everyone. Mike was here first today. Welcome to you, Mike. Thank you. Hi, Peckman. Good morning. Good morning, all. Dan Ackerman. Bernie B. Good morning to you. Henrik. Good morning to you from Denmark. Welcome to you. Morning all. Let me just fly the flags a moment. We often forget about this. We have members now in 69 countries and 14 languages. These are all the members. And when you become a member, we fly the flag of your country. All right. Good morning, Lance Trent. Good morning to you. Bar, good morning, family. Happy to be part of the family. You are most welcome. Where are you from? Maybe we can add a new country. Tell me your native language. I will speak to you in your native language. All righty. Hi, Benny, says Mike. Dan Ackerman, XRP pumping. Yes, it pumped last night. It was fantastic news last night. It really was. I was trying to cover it, but it was so late at night, and I was just so emotionally wrecked after the XRP attack live stream. I just couldn't come back live. Jenny, good morning to you. Welcome to you. Should I buy 600 Coca-Cola? The biggest Coca-Cola holder in the Lucasade family. Coca-Cola, it's still a great buy. Yes, because look, I'm still down 5.25%, 5.5%. Yep, it's still a great buy because at the end of the day, would I buy it today? Would I buy it today if I could buy more shares? Yes, I would. My Roth IRA is maxed out. I could buy more on my S&P on my main account, but for the integrity of the show, I'm not in any stocks other than the S&P. And also, I own Coca-Cola in the S&P anyway. But yes, absolutely, it is still a good time. I would be buying it if I could. That is not financial advice, but yes, I would be buying it if I could. And I have been, of course, by buying the S&P. So there's your answer. XRP, let's go. Holy, my portfolio shot up. Yes, it did. Pamp it. There you go. Go. Going to the moon, says Momo. Here we go. XRP. Loving it. I'm loving it like that. Okay. XRP. Let's go to it. 284. We can see it going to $100 million. No, we can't. We can see it going to 10. And to celebrate this on XRP, we have our very own licensed products. Oh, yes, we've got the Martyn Lucas shop. It's martynlucasshop.com. There we go, our very own website, martynlucasshop.com. And we've got the licensed products now. How cool is this? You can get an XRP to the moon mug from our official shop. There are all sorts. You can get a latte mug. You can get a big mug like this. These are nearly twice the size of our original mugs. Mine is coming. I can't wait to get my new mugs. These are the original mugs. These ones were 11 ounces. These ones are coming in at 15 ounces. So they're nearly like, about an inch higher and wider. Very, very, and much, I would imagine, heavier as well. Very, very exciting stuff. So there is the XRP to the moon mug. The link's in the chat if you want to get one. Look at that. Love these, love these, love these, love these. And if you want to get one of mine, look, I've got a signed mug. You'll like this one. Again, really big. There's a latte mug, which is even bigger. I think it's like 17 ounces, even bigger if you want a latte mug. And I've signed it. My signature is etched into all of these. There you go. There's my signature. Look, etched into all of these. So you've got your very own mug. It looks great on the table. Look at that. Look at that. It's massive. Absolutely massive. I'm loving it. I cannot wait to get mine. You're not in the Lucasade family unless you've got an official merchandise from martynlucasshop.com. Very, very exciting. Get those. They're right under the video. If you wonder where I'm talking about, it's pinned to the top. There it is underneath. There's Sensei's got a mug as well. Sensei has a mug. You can get one of Sensei's mugs. Oh, we got t-shirts, hoodies, everything that you want. And we're now working on a line of NVIDIA, Virgin Galactic, other stuff because we can license all those logos now. Very exciting. Very, very exciting stuff. All right. XRP now is 285. And it's still going up. My portfolio is still moving up. We're now at 135,501. Lovely stuff. Don't be surprised if we smash straight through the 137. I'm expecting 150,000 any moment now. And don't forget, I get paid in another 4 days' time. So I'll be reducing my margin. So my balance will go up. My gain doesn't go up, but my margin will be reduced. So my balance will go up. That's not me making money. That is simply by paying off margin as I get paid from my job. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How many likes have we got now? 167 likes. Absolutely fantastic. 9 minutes to go before we on board. Good morning, Stephen Lewandowski. How are you? About to take off. Flight was literally about to take off, flight-wise, literally, and market. I'm loving it, Sensei, love it. When does the Secretary usually release information midday? When does the SEC usually you're talking about Elon Musk being sued about Twitter? Yes, I don't know when. Well, they release information all the time, don't they? Microsoft, PLTR coin, all reacted very bullish. Nice, thanks for streaming. You're very welcome. Buy your XRP mug. Buy your official martynlucasshop.com merchandise. Yes, indeed. Only 37 likes. Martyn was right again. I hope everyone did their research. Fantastic. Martyn was right again. There you go. Expect some trimming though, folks. Expect some trimming. Will I be selling? No, I will not sell a single share. I don't care if it goes back down again. All I care about are the numbers. I do not care what traders do. I do not care what Wall Street does. Here comes 1 million. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. What are your thoughts? What are you looking at right now? Martyn is going to be a millionaire. Yes, I am live on the show. And remember, I started with $5,000. Nobody watching me. One person, Mike, Bill, they were the first people here. I would stream every single day, all day, every day to nobody. Just a couple of people. And I earned nothing for a year and a half. Nothing. Zero. I lived on zero. Bread and water. I'm not joking. I was pretty much all I was eating. Hi, likes, please, family. Hi, Patrick. Good morning to you, Octavio. Good morning to you. Gold card in your wallet. Gold card in your wallet. It'll be with me in a week. Yes, Robinhood is sending a solid gold credit card. Very, very exciting. 321 watching. Let's get 200 likes. Let's get to can anyone tell me? The people that watch the show, the fans of the show that know all the statistics, have we ever had 200 likes before 8 o'clock? I don't think so. I don't think we've ever had 200 likes before the 8 o'clock. So smash the like button. We're 178. Come on, 179. Let's see if we can get to 200 likes before 8 o'clock. Absolutely brilliant. I love your gold jacket. Thank you, Jenna. You can get this from my shop, by the way, my Amazon shop. All the links are below in the description. Hi, Octavio. How you doing? Here we go, XRP. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Let's go back to XRP. It's just trimming at the moment, but we're still massively up. Good morning, Octavio. Wait until the 20th. Wait until the 20th. What's happening on the 20th? Are you talking about... What's on the 20th? What's on the 20th? Let me see what's on the 20th. Oh, hang on. I got a message from our sponsor, so I've got to look at that. Good morning, Martin. I haven't received my mug yet. I've ordered a couple of weeks ago. I will come back to you. Crafty, I don't know what's going on there with the mugs on the original shop. That's, one of the reasons why we got the new shop. It's a lot faster, a lot quicker. I don't know why there's a delay in the original shop. You can contact, obviously you've got an email, you can contact Spring, because you don't buy from me, you buy from Spring, and I'm sure they can either update you, refund you, or send out another one, or whatever it is. One of the reasons why we've moved to a much better shop. Well, we did it, folks. Well, we did it. We got 200 likes. We got 205 likes, and it's 5 minutes to go before we do onboarding as well. Wait until the 20th. What was the reason for the 20th? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20... 17, 18, 19. I've no idea what the 20th does. 18, 19. Monday is the 20th. No idea why the 20th is so... I've no idea why the 20th is so important. I went all in on the dip on Mobits. Congratulations. Hey, Jenny, rates are going up this year. No, they're not. Real employment numbers are coming out after the take office and hell's going to break loose. No, that's not true. That's not accurate. Grab your official merchandise. I see a rate cut in March. I can see that. I can see that. Two this year, but I'm not really bothered. That's the beauty of investing. I'm not really bothered. I just don't want rates to go up. And the longer we hold it up, the better it is. So I'm fine with that. Real businesses do not care about this rate position at all. Real estate will collapse. No, that's not true either. Once you have your merch, let us know with a picture in Discord and you'll be added to the merch club channel. There you go, martynlucasshop.com. Yay. Fear from who? FOMO incoming. Not from me, it's not. Not from me, it's not. What are you on about? What are you on about? I've been buying all the way down. There's no FOMO from me. Now all I do is just keep paying down margin. What are you on about? No. I mean, whoever's buying now is just giving me their money, basically. Or any investor who bought the dip knowing that everybody was wrong. See, the thing, I'm going to be clear about this. Everybody wasn't wrong. Everyone's smarter than me, right? Everybody on Wall Street, everybody on Bloomberg, everybody on CNBC is smarter than me. 100%. They all know more than me. Definitely. So why am I the only one saying rates are good, inflation's coming down, everything's booming? Why am I the only one? Meet Kevin is smarter than me. He's got his own ETF. He's a multi-millionaire. He flies jets around the world. He's got, he's a financial advisor. He's learned how to do it. He said the world's coming to an end. He said it's all going to crash. Why? Because they're all trying to sell media. That's why. I'm not. I do the opposite. I tell you how it is, take it or leave it, and I invested with my real money. Meet Kevin doesn't show you how much money he's got invested. I do. Doesn't show his bank account. I do. Bloomberg, CNBC, they don't really tell you how much they've got. They just go, I'm invested in Amazon. They don't show you their bank account. They don't say, I do. And the thing is, they all knew inflation was coming down. It's not a surprise. How did I know? Am I just guessing? No, of course I'm not guessing. I'm just reading the numbers. It's right there. I can count. And that's it. So, is it a surprise to me today that we got inflation down in the UK? No. Is it a surprise to me? Inflation's come down in the US? No. That's what the Fed's job is to do. That's why rates are high. Is it a surprise to me that 100% of the banks today are massively up on earnings? No, it's not. Is it going to be a surprise to me that more than 80% of the S&P is going to be on earnings over the next month? No, it's not. Why? Because I've already read the balance sheet. So it's not clever. It's not hard. It's just, this is nuts. I'm making so much money. 135.5, 135.3. This is great. Unbelievable. So at the end of the day, it's not clever. I'm not doing anything clever. I don't know more than they do. They just know it and just don't want to just play. It's a game, innit? It's a game, innit? XRP, run to new, the all-time high, leaving the station. XRP, 76 likes. Hit the like button, 214, mate. You deserve all the credit for your incredible insight. So happy you are up. Thank you so much indeed. Posted in breakfast bar. Post your merch as well. What's in breakfast bar? Let me go to breakfast bar. Boom, 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 boom. Sensei! Look at this. It's Sensei. Have you ever known someone on holiday so much? This guy just makes so much money on crypto. It's ridiculous. Hang on a minute. What else do you notice? What else do you notice about Sensei? What else do you notice about Sensei? Can anyone see? Can anyone see in that picture? Sensei, our expert, our crypto analysis. What can you see? A young man, always on holiday. What can you see in that picture? What do you see in that picture that you will never see, with me? Ever. You will never, ever see with me, but you see with him. Tell me in the chat what you see with Sensei in that picture, and 10 points for the winner that you will never, ever see with me. All right? Okay. I wonder if anyone can see it. Hello, lovely people. Good morning to you. Tyler lost 892 XRP coin this morning due to insignificant funds error or an XRP buy order. So they yanked. What is going on with that? Sorry to hear that. What happened there? Ivan Silver, good morning to you. You have to take care of number one. I don't agree with that. My aim is to take care of you. If you take care of everybody else, everyone takes care of you. I've never seen it like that. If you provide value to everybody else, money just comes. It's easy. Just always 10 men sat round a table. 10 men sat round a table with food on the table. And they're all holding spoons in their hands, which are 2 feet long. And they have to eat with their spoons. And every one of them is starving. What's the moral of the story? Feed each other. They fed each other, they would all eat. However, they're all trying to feed themselves and they're all starved to death. I believe in helping other people is the way to be successful. Always done it, always believed it. Coinbase screwed me over, but my mistake shouldn't buy, mistake shouldn't. I don't know what happened there. Maybe you can call in, Tyler, one day and we can discuss it. Martyn, congratulations to your earnings. Thank you so much indeed, Bernie. You felt it, and that's legitimate. Feeling is part of being human. Trust. You're greatly appreciated, Martyn. Thank you so much indeed. 100 likes. Go, 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 go. We're 218 now. I'm loving it. What was the date? What was the data for today? All good. All good. I've just shown you already. Let's make some money. Love the energy, Martyn. Jose Marte, you're welcome. Plug signed 3 gigawatt electrolyzer deal. They've been waiting on. Pretty cool. Send it into Discord. I will make a new story on it. If I have the information, I will cover it. Hi, Lance, everyone. How you doing? Savage Faith Creations. Good to see you this morning. Hi, Martyn. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to you, Harrip Petum. Good morning to you. Good morning, everyone. Dan Ackerman. Good morning. Bar from Sweden. Good morning to you. Okay. Would you like some Swedish? Okay, I'll give you some Swedish. I said to you, if you let me know your language, I will speak Swedish to you. So here we go. Are you ready? Stand by. What is your name? Bara. Okay, here we go. Good morning, Bar. Welcome to the show and welcome all guests from Sweden. We are live 12 hours a day. We aim to be the most honest, real channel in the world. I have family and friends living in Sweden. I've been to Gothenburg and Stockholm, and it's wonderful to have you here. Welcome to the family.
Good morning Bar, välkommen till showen och välkomnar alla gäster från Sverige. Vi är live 12 timmar om dagen. Vi strävar efter att vara den mest ärliga, riktiga kanalen i världen. Jag har familj och vänner som bor i Sverige. Jag har varit i Göteborg och Stockholm och det är underbart att ha dig här. Välkommen till familjen.
There we go. Is CPI increase bad? No, it was a great day. We covered it live. Well, we did it the moment it broke. We gave her the news straight away. No, it was great. Exactly as predicted. Dan Ackerman, I was watching. Do expect some trimming though, folks. Don't think. Right, we're going to do some onboarding in a moment. Onboarding. I'm just getting through all the comments. So we're going to do onboarding. Let me get through. Good morning, Classic Kana, Lucas A's, James 007. Welcome, everybody. Good morning from South Africa. Wonderful. We have South Africa members here. Become part of the family. There's the membership link. There's the Discord for all the free training. We don't charge for it. We provide it all for free. We cover all the costs. Keep it up, brother. Great to be back in. Been successful trading. Coins, says Lance Strength. Renato Pinto, good morning to you. Dylan Wilson, good morning to you. January the 20th. Inauguration day. We will. Oh, who wants me to cover Inauguration Day? Who wants me to? Right, who wants that? Who wants a special? Start a poll. Who wants Who wants all day live No, how do you spell inauguration? Oration. Okay. Who wants all day live inauguration special? Okay. Okay. Yes, no. So if I get 80% say yes, I will cover the Inauguration Day live with the stocks all day. We'll do a live USA special for you, and I'll line it all up. All right, okay. Up about 2,000 today. Thanks, CPI report. Trump coming. That, of course, inauguration. Just to sign Discord. Okay, it's now time to do onboarding. So we're now going to do onboarding for the next 5 minutes. So Bar, first of all, I'm going to do yours here. Here we go. So if you've just become a member, I'm now going to onboard everyone and give it into Discord, give you all the free training, access to Sensei, crypto, and all the other good stuff. All right. So I'm looking for comments on what Sensei did there that I would never do. So let me now search in Discord. Here we go. We're going to spend 5 minutes of onboarding and 5 minutes alone. All right. Our first one, Bara. Yes, I see you. Here we go. Here you are. This is you, and you are Bara. Thank you ever so much for using the same name. I appreciate it. There you are. I've just found you. I've searched for you. So now I give you role of member. Role of YouTube member. You can now get all the free training, scalp training from Ed Nevius, and talk to Sensei, crypto charts, and everything else. Member, there you go. And profile. Have you sent me a friend request? No, you haven't. Be careful. You'll now get lots of people send you friend requests, pretending to be me. I never send them. Send me one and I will accept it. That's the first onboarding. Let me scroll through the comments. We're going to go members only now, so I can filter by members only to make sure that I answer everyone's question and filter all the members so everyone can get onboarded and upgraded. Okay, let me get through. Bara, please send me a friend request. Donald Pump Day, I love it. Trump Day, of course. The United States inauguration, everyone's going inauguration. I'm sorry, I couldn't remember. Bloody hell, everyone's going Trump. I'm sorry, hey Martin, can I just say I come from nothing and I've been losing money in the market before I found this channel and the Discord. Crazy, because the family thinks I'm stupid for investing in the market. Hey Martin, can I just say I come from nothing and I've been losing money in the market before I found this channel. That's okay, mate. I come from nothing too. I left home at 16 with no money and I built my own life. I've never had free money from anyone. So I'm right with you, Kelvin. No one gave me any money. I didn't inherit any money. And, I started here with nothing 4 years ago. And yeah. I'm right with you. We are together, mate. Anyone can be successful. Just work harder than anyone else and provide a service and you will win. Educate yourself, stay disciplined, and don't listen to what idiots say when they're trying to sell videos. That's why I go live every day to demonstrate I'm not about videos. I'm live every day. That's why. Good luck to you. I wish you all the best. I'm with you every step of the way. It's lovely to have your support. How can you not know the trouble? I know, bloody hell. 100 grand isn't... I'm not sure why you're saying that. You are truly the definition of the source and the truth. You are helping so many people and families. You're the people's champion. Well, that's very kind of you. Thank you very much. And 100 grand is a lot of money. Some people are homeless right now. I'm up at some too. I've got $250,000 invested now, guys. Don't think it's 100 grand. It's $250,000. If you look at my portfolio, there's my portfolio. If you include my margin, I've got actually 255. So I'm way over now, $250,000 invested. And remember, I started with $5,000. Martyn, where did you get the jacket from? I want one. It's in my shop, martynlucas.com. All the links below. You'll find my shop on Amazon. You can get one of my jackets. First class, thank you much indeed. Business class is a plane. He's in economy. All right, here we go. Business class in a plane. Right, now you're all answering the question. What is Sensei doing here that I will never ever do? Young man making so much money on crypto. Unbelievable. What's he doing? Yep, he's going on holiday in business or first class. Have you ever seen anything like it? I always sit at the back next to the toilets. I'm not lying. When I go on a plane, I sit at the back next to the toilets, the cheapest seats on the plane. I cannot spend money on a seat. I can. And I'll tell you why. Let me explain why. If I fly to England, it's about $1,000. There are people at the front, they're paying like $3,000 or $4,000 for the same seat. Well, it's not the same seat. It's a bigger seat, and they got champagne in plastic rather than me drinking Coke out of a plastic, whatever it is, okay? And the way I see it is this. You spend $3,000 more than me in that seat. You sit in that seat for 8 hours. When I land the other end, I will take the $3,000. I will buy a sofa that I can sit on for the next 25 years. That's the way I see it. Or alternatively, the reality is I go, that's $3,000 that I can put in the S&P. That's the way I look at it. So you won't ever see me there. And when I've got $1 million, which I will get, and then when I get to 10 million, I will still be sat at the back in the seat that next to the toilet, because I don't want to spend $3,000 in a seat. I mean, what's the point of that? I'm sitting in a seat right now, just as good as that seat there. There's no point. But Sensei loves it, and I wish him all the best. I wish him all the best. I don't mind anyone sitting in the front, because remember, the ones sitting in the front paying all the money provide us the opportunity to sit in the back for cheap. Think about it. Think about it for a minute. Everyone at the front paying a lot of money enables you to sit in the back for cheap. They pay for the plane. Thanks, Sensei. I love it. He's enjoying that. He's enjoying it. He doesn't mind me having a laugh, does he? He doesn't mind, does he? Anyway, there you go. Yes, he's also got a head of hair. Well, thanks for that. Yeah, you're dead right. He's got a beard. Yeah. Flying first class. Yes, indeed. Flying first class hair. Headphones. Now, I've got headphones. I know how to do headphones. I got headphones better than that. Don't you worry. I got headphones better than that. Don't you worry about that. Headphones, no. He's got hair. Yeah, he's got hair. It ain't that. Bloody hell, guys. Business class. That's what it is. That's what it is. A watch. Correct. I never wear a watch. I never wear a watch. Don't see the point. You'll never see hair like Sensei's. That's right. That's right. Wow, XLM moving. Let's have a look. We got XRP up as well. Keep our eye on that. Agreed. Tim Rogers, first class ride. There is nothing wrong with helping other people, but you can't pour from an empty cup. It's good to take time for yourself. Absolutely right. No, Jenny, you're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. When I first started out in business, and I started one night in Vegas, I hired musicians from the British Philharmonic Orchestra, best orchestra arguably in the world. They've supported Bocelli, Tom Jones, Eric Clapton, you name it. All right. And that was my band, right? And I was surrounded by multimillionaires in my band. And I wanted to build this beautiful show and take it all over the world, which I did. And I paid everyone, and we went for 8 years, and it was great. And I always felt because I came from nothing. I had never had any money. I always felt that money was ugly and it ruined things, and it was all about the show and the people. And to me, it still is. However, I had to adapt slightly because the rich people in my show ain't Martyn. We've all got more money than you. You've got to run this as a business. You can't give and you can't grow and you can't do anything unless you've got any money. And I thought, yeah, they're right. So even though I don't like money, surprisingly enough, I don't care. When I get to $1 million, it's only a target. It doesn't do anything. I'm not going to spend it anyway. The point is, I'm just trying to achieve something. I like building things. I'm not a money man. And that sounds crazy, right? I just like building things. I like being successful. I like making things. And I like to reach targets. I did Tough Mud. I did the London Marathon. I built a theatre show. I'm now building the best YouTube channel. I like building things. Money doesn't interest me. I don't need stuff. I don't want stuff. Just stuff to do the job with, okay? But I had to learn that you can't do any of that unless you make any money. So now make some money as well, okay? But whatever. So you're dead right there, Jenny. Thanks for bringing that conversation to us. Martyn, where did you get that gold jacket? I want one. Everybody wants one of my gold jackets. All right, okay. If you want one of my gold jackets, here you go. Bloody hell, mate. Where is it? eBay. Is it eBay? No, not eBay. It's not that, is it? Where is it? Where's my shop? I'll give you my shop. Is it Amazon? Amazon, Martyn Lucas's Amazon page. Here you go. All right then. Clothes I wear in the studio. There you go. Right, here you go. You want my jacket? Unbelievable. So this is my shop. It's always below the the video, the show and everything. So there you go. Clothes I wear in the studio. There's all my shirts. There's my jackets. There's my shirt I wear every day. There's my gold jacket. Look, there it is. There it is. So you want it? You want it? You're loving it? You're loving it? You go, I want that. I want that. All right then. Here you go. There's the link. The Martyn Lucas shop. I don't talk about these things. There's loads of stuff. If you look below in the description, there's loads of things. There's all my stuff. There's loads of stuff. All right, equipment. I mean, you name it. Christmas jumpers. I think I've even... Christmas lights, the lights I put on the tree. I mean, I don't know what. Even the medicine. Why do I put that? Oh yeah, if you want ultimate vitamins to give you energy, that's what I take every day. So basically, I'm a drug dealer now. So basically, I'm showing everybody what I use. All right, equipment. There's my battery. Look, I always tell you about a solar powered show. The solar powered show, there it is. There's my big battery that powers everything. This whole show is powered by this battery, right? Cameras, lenses, smoke machine. There's a microphone. There's all sorts of stuff. Remember I told you when my mum died, I had a microphone? Remember that? There you go. There you go. All sorts. There you go. These are my monitors and my cameras. These are my cameras that I use. Anyway, there you go. Help yourself. Links in the chat. Let me get rid of that now. I don't need that on the show, do you? Right, let's get back to it. Choke up on your spoon. All of us. I'll be here. First class, that's right. Martyn, you're so cool. Benny B. Do you think 20th will be a cause to buy, sell at the news on XRP? We'll talk about the inauguration as we get nearer, James. Songs for Space. I like the show Level on Netflix with prisoners. They get their own food. Everyone, yes, that's right. That's right. The Liberals are voting no, said Zook. I'm going to miss out on this pump Coinbase Yanks. Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear. Let it go. Don't worry about it. Focus on what you do have, not what you don't have. If you focus on what you don't have, you'll always be bitter. Focus on what you do have and be grateful. That's it. There's opportunities every single day. I could go out today. I could turn off the camera, right, and go sod this for a lark, right? I could go out today and earn 5,000 straight away. Straight away. Down in Dallas, I could go to a little sociable event, a little party. I'm going to one tonight, actually, after the show, right? I could go to a little sociable party rather than be on the show doing this, right? And I could be mingling with all the rich people, Jerry Jones, Mark Cuban, all the millionaires of Dallas, whatever, and billionaires as well. And I go, hey, Mark, I've not seen you for a while. I go, yeah, I know, I've been on YouTube. Why are you doing that for? When are you gonna sing at my party again? Say, well, I'm busy doing YouTube. Yeah, but do you earn $5,000 in 1 hour? Well, no, I don't. Well, there you go then. Here's $5,000. Come round the house, sing a few songs. I go, well, I'm focused on YouTube. Well, I want to pay you $5. This happens. This can happen any day I want, right? And I go, no. There's my local theatre. I've sold it out like how many times I did it for 3 years in a row, two summer shows, 2 Christmas shows. That's 4 a year, 12 times. I sold it out 12 times. Each time, $20,000. Sell it out. Theatre, right? I haven't got time. Make more money, yeah, but then I'm not focused on this. This is the bigger picture. So there's always opportunities. Don't worry about what you don't do, because I haven't lost the money because I haven't done it. I haven't sat in Mark Cuban's house for an hour singing at the piano, so I haven't earned $5,000. So I haven't lost it, have I? I didn't do it. I'm focused on this. Want to board investor Sensei flying the crypto private jet. Yeah, just sent a friend request. Okay, Bar, I'll accept it now. Let's go back to friend request. Pending. Bar. Let me make sure it's the right person. I've got to check. I've got to do all the checks because people try to scam me all the time. And I've got to be very careful. That is you. You are a member, profile, bar, accept. Okay, accepted it. You're now in. You can get all the training from Ed Nevius, crypto training, Sensei Crypto. You can get access to all the charts, information. There you go, 24 hours a day. I'm from Sweden too. Frederick, welcome to you, mate. These are the best YouTube live TV channels in the well, wherever you can imagine. There you go. Love it. Go Sensei. I came from nothing too. Yes, people that come from nothing appreciate stuff more. Absolutely right. Hello, family. Good morning, my friend. It's been a while. Todd Burns. How are you, Todd Burns? How long you been a member now? 2 months. You got 2-month badge. We missed you. I miss everybody. So true. What did I miss this morning? Why did the market boom this morning? CPI. Yes, David Ewan. Where you been? We've already covered it. Get out of bed. You snooze, you lose. You snooze, you lose. Frederick. He's talking. Oh, thank you very much indeed. You're most welcome. He's talking back in Swedish. Ich kann nicht sprechen die Deutsch sehr gut, even though that's German. That's all I can say. I can't say Swedish. Göteborg. There you go. There's Gothenburg in Swedish. It's the top secret. Martyn Lucas Investor Vitamins provides ultimate energy. Here he is, MSK. MSK. You can blame MSK for me not doing BlackRock this morning. MSK, I love you to bits, mate. But last night, that was an emotional roller coaster for me, and I delivered it, as you know, and it was a great conversation. But it was very personal to me, very emotional. Your comments and constructive criticism. It has to be said. That's a family, right? And it was very, very difficult. And after the show, even though I went through it, after the show, I was absolutely wiped out, exhausted. I had to get out. I was shaking. I was so emotionally battered. And I said to Leah, I'm not doing the BlackRock in the morning. I cannot get up at 5 o'clock tomorrow. So I went out for a walk. So blame MSK for no BlackRock earnings. But it doesn't matter. I said there'd be earnings, and they did. 100% of the banks boomed today. So there you go. And the report came in right. Do expect, guys, some profit taking today. It's not all up. MSK, get to the vitamins. Afternoon, get to the kettle. I think I need some of those vitamins. MSK. Hello, Stephen. Morning and hi to all. Afternoon from the UK. I got my 6-month badge. Finally, David Ewan. Yay! Congratulations to you, David Ewan. Well done, mate. All right, great. I've got through. So I didn't get. If anybody else want to be onboarded, here is the membership link. We've got 8 minutes to go before the bell goes. We're going to cover everything today. We've got earnings season coming up. I'm going to be covering 4 earnings a day, 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening on the main channel and the extra channel. If you've not subscribed to the extra channel, you need to, because we're going to have double earnings. There is the extra channel in the chat right now. It runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Sensei is there now. Listen. This is Sensei now. Where is it? Refresh the screen. Sensei's doing some streams there for me right now. Is that running? Oh, hello. What's happened here? It looks like the extra channel has crashed, so I will just end that stream. Finish. End broadcast. Okay. The extra channel has just gone offline. It's been running for about 4 or 5 days. I'm just taking it offline. I'm just taking the X channel offline. It's been running solid 24 hours a day, and we're going to give the system a shutdown. There you go. Now, the extra channel is there for your communication, so you can support each other, talk to each other, plus it provides you all the different restreams. We show you all Sensei's charts and all that stuff, and it runs 24 hours a day. And it's been going now for about a week and consistently, and sometimes it just needs to be restarted. So we're just going to shut down that system at the moment. But when we do double earnings, which we do 2 in the morning on one, 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. We do them one on this channel and one on the main. And I actually run 2 earnings at the same time. I listen to 2 earnings at the same time. You can bat between the 2. You know, you could be watching Nvidia on one and Virgin Galactic on the other channel. That's what we do. So make sure that you've all subscribed to Extra. You will miss stuff, all right? Especially when we do double earnings. You might decide to watch a certain earnings rather than the one that we're covering on the main channel, all right? Okay, we've got 5 minutes to go. Let me now move over to general public once again. Let's invite everybody in. We were in members only mode. No one seemed to want to do. Nobody wanted to do. No more onboardings to do. Working as hard as you do, I'm sure you know a thing or two about burnout. Just a friendly reminder. Josh Monroe. Yes, I understand that, but I never have that. I always go. All right. I've never ever given up, and I never will. I just need sometimes a moment to breathe. Whatever vitamins Martyn's on, I need them. I need the energy that he puts out. Anyone paid for the SoFi earnings on the 27th? No, SoFi has not been booked in yet. There are no earnings booked in yet. No one has booked an earnings. Let me just tell you how it works. If you are a member of the channel and you want an earnings, you can choose whatever earnings that you want. Okay, we can do 4 a day. It's first come, first serve, minimum $5 super chat, and I will cover the earnings for you. All right, plus promotional videos. We'll rank number 1 for it. We rank number 1 for nearly everything we cover now. So these are the earnings you can have tomorrow. Right, there's more. These are just the ones I'm showing you. There are more. You might have a favorite stock. Tomorrow, Taiwan Semiconductor. UNH, Bank of America. Bank of America, we could learn about XRP tomorrow morning. Bank of America, no one has booked that. So you call yourself XRP investors. Nobody thinks it's worth $5 to hear from Brian Moynihan, the CEO of Bank of America, potentially talking about XRP. Blows my mind that nobody has booked that. In fact, it doesn't blow my mind because this is where the boring stuff gets done. Nobody wants to do it. Everybody wants XRP to go up, but they don't want to know why it's going up and why it should go up. Crazy, isn't it? But anyway, Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, US banks. There are more. And then next week, how long have we got? We got 3 minutes. SoFi earnings is now booked. SoFi earnings is now booked.
David Gwynn donated $4.99 through a super chat.
SoFi earnings. SoFi earnings, that's now booked. Let me check the date. SoFi earnings. SOFI. Let me just confirm it. It is available January 27th. There is no link for it yet. It's a $5 minimum super chat if you want it.
Invest Here donated $2 Canadian and 79 cents through a super chat. Blackberry stock.
Jan 27th. SoFi is going. Investor. It's Is that basically a $5 super chat? Is that January the 27th. Yes, I have it written down. I'm looking at SoFi right now. SoFi is booked in. Next week, you've got things like, SoFi, January 27th. A super microcomputer after hours on the 27th. Western Digital, ASMC, BNB, CC. You got BA, LMT, GM, RTX, SAP, RCL. You got Starbucks. You got Stryker, Next, Quantum. Crafty Falcon gifted 5 memberships. Bloody hell, look at this. Look at SoFi going up. We're now going to cover the earnings and I'll make promotional videos on it. We got memberships. Bloody hell, I'm running out of time. We got quick. Overlays. Celebrate. We got new members. Let's go. Here we go. Bank of America is booked. Bank of America has just been booked. Let me slide that over there. Yay, new. Why is that over there? Why is that there? Shoot, beat, doobie. New member. Just become a member. No idea why that's over my face. Shouldn't be there. Anyway, boom. We just new memberships. Username Taken has just become a member. Congratulations. Please do thank our sponsor who has just given you membership. We've only got 1 minute to go. Here is our YouTube sponsor. Here he is. Let me share with you on the screen. I can't get this all done before the bell. Crafty Falcon. Would everybody please go and subscribe to Crafty Falcon? He's one of our members. He's one of the family. There he is on the screen. I've given it you in the chat there. Everyone subscribe to him. Remember, the time will come when you will want us to support you. Yesterday, he went from 9,500 to boom, 10,000 subscribers live on the show. He's now at 10.1. Let's get him to 10.2 in the next 30 seconds. David Chan, you just won a membership. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We want to see 10.2. 10.2, smash. We smashed it again. Congratulations. I've now got to go over and ring the bell in 10 seconds. Woo! What a day, All these new memberships. Let's do it.
You can't kick diabetes, you can't.
3, 2, 1.
It's a second line defense. Kennedy is about health and wellness, and that's not in favor because
the bell has gone. Don Claddy, you just won a new membership. SoFi shares are firing up right now.
Yeah, interesting story in the Journal. Trump team sidelines RFK Jr.'s anti-vaccine aids. We'll see how much.
Bank of America is booked in.
Donated $5 through a super chat. Bank of America.
Let's get the opening bell on the CNBC.
Boom.
The big board is Pitney Bowes, provider of mail, shipping, and financial services at the NASDAQ.
There goes my Coca-Cola. Inflation coming down. That means commodity prices. All-time highs coming in today. 135,407. Up she goes, Coca-Cola.
Looks like we want to revisit that.
Now it's becoming too late to buy Coca-Cola. It's going up quickly.
Wages for December, and they were soft, and I think that people should.
Okay, let me come back to everybody now. We in general mode. CPI came in below expectations. Yes, it did. It was a great beat.
Invest here donated $2.79 through a super chat. I add another 2.79, 2 by 2.79 for Blackberry.
Bank of America is booked in. Let me write this down. Bank of America is booked in. So I need to go Bank of America. Oh, come on. Stop messing around.
Treasure Hack has become a member.
Bloody hell. I'm on a big thing here. Let me just get this done, guys. January the 16th, tomorrow. Yep. That's Jan 16th. Jan 16th. We can do 4 earnings a day. First come, first serve. When they're gone, they're gone. Did I just see BlackBerry? MSK said, I felt so bad. Really wasn't intended outcome. Glad you are back. Recharged and ready to rock and roll. Apologies about BlackRock, guys. Don't worry about it, mate. Don't worry about it. It's all part of the family. We take everything on. It's all part of it. And you are a most loved member of our family. And we appreciate you. Don't worry about that, mate. But I am human, and sometimes it gets a little bit tough. I drink tea, but I'm from the South Texas, so sweet tea. Rubbish. Sweet tea is not tea at all. Tea without milk is vegetable soup. Sun Tea, Super Chat, David Ewan, SoFi earnings. SoFi is booked in. Blackberry, now we're booking in Blackberry. It's first come, first serve. Minimum $5. Let's have a look. Blackberry. And it also gets you the promotional video as well. Blackberry. And very often a review as well. So that's great. Blackberry, what day is that? It's up today, big. That's April the 2nd. You know that's February. That's April the. You know that's April the 2nd. That's April the 2nd. April 2. That's a long way off. But anyway, you booked it in. Should be the 27th. Yes, it is. Crafty Falcon. Everyone, please. I have Wi-Fi in the sky. Of course you have Wi-Fi in the sky. You're in the first class seats. Everyone's seen it, mate. Everyone's seen it on the show. I have Wi-Fi. Bloody hell, Sensei. What's he like, this guy? What's he like? I'm paying him too much. How come he's first class and I'm sat next to the toilets? What's going on? Bank of America, booked in. Right, hiya, Wyatt Underhill. How you doing, Crafty Falcon? How you doing? We've got Blackberry booked in. I gifted my full review. Right, Crafty Falcon. I gifted my full review from my mug purchase to you. So get with Sensei, so you know what. So you want it. So to let him know what you want. Absolutely right. So Crafty Falcon, please look at that. It's now becoming too late to buy Coca-Cola because you don't want to be chasing it, do you? As an investor, you don't want to be chasing it. I'm only 5% down now. So, I mean, yeah, you can still buy it, but, you know, you look for better things now. You want a good move. It was down like 8-9%. You don't need to chase it now. You don't need to chase it now, do you? Really? 135.4, 135.4. Let's hopefully get an all-time high today. Okay, Wyatt, good morning to you. Treasure Height just became a member. Many new members. I don't know for 5 minimum. I gave you twice. I didn't know. Yes, don't worry. Don't worry. Please, Martin, read my post. I made a mistake. I gave it you twice. I've got it in. Blackberry's booked in. Martin, I hope I'm not out of line, but I've had tough criticism before, and it does shake you to the core, but you took it well. I appreciate you, sir. No problem at all. Thank you very much for your comment. Hi, Martin. Hope you're doing well. Rob Brennan. Oh, Rob, we've missed you. Hello, Rob. How are you, mate? How are you? Not a member anymore. Hey, I hate that. I agree. Put some cream in it. No idea what that means. Yes, I know. Mobix is down, but as an earnings February the 14th, I just bought more today on the dip. I book in advance. Very wise. Wi-Fi in the sky. You have it also on the toilet. True. Very true. Even though I sit next to the toilet, I got Wi-Fi too. There you go. Set to explode. Because of Trump's infrastructure, I cannot confirm that. Thanks for the gift, thank you so much. Thank you. How have you been, buddy? I haven't seen you in like months. What happened? Are you talking about the XRP attack? The XRP attack. Well, last night we had. I'll just give you the link for it, and you can go and check it out. It was a difficult night. I won't lie. Okay, so what was the XRP attack? You go to the main channel, the homepage, where we're live right now. Scroll down, go past live streams. You will see. Actually, I put it out as a video. I beg your pardon. I put it out as a video, didn't I? There you go. I put it out as a video. XRP attack. There you go. XRP Ripple attack. Must watch all. You must watch it all the way through. It's an hour-and-a-half special movie, really, and you need to watch it all. If you only watch a minute of it, you won't understand what was going on. It's a whole debate and argument, and it's very emotional, and Vaz makes me cry, and God knows what else. Yeah, anyway, there's the XRP debate that me and Sensei had. There's the Gary Gensler interview, which has gone viral on my channel. 29 times earnings, 24,000 views. There's that one. And we had this video here, which sparked the whole XRP debate. And it's now the #1 video in the world on XRP and Bank of America. 50,000 views plus now. I think it's like 51 or something like that. Anyway, there you go. 48 times views. And incredible that was. And we're using that to try to get Brian Moynihan on the show. Not been successful yet, but I won't give up until we do. Right, the overall portfolio. Now, what did I say? I said it would trim. It's trimming. There you go. It's all trimming now. People are taking profits once again. Let Wall Street do what Wall Street does and let them buy it back. Who cares? What about I? I don't know what I is. What is I? Let's have a look. Good day. Makes sense. The banks want to use XRP, especially when it's centralized blockchain that helps them retain the power over the masses. Okay. Thanks for BlackBerry. I became a member last night. Looking forward to the live. Amondo Hernandez. All right. Let me just onboard everybody. Pay attention to what Trump says the day before the 19th. When will CPI go live? We just covered it an hour ago. It's already happened. Hiroshima. It happened an hour and 8 minutes ago. PPI was yesterday, CPI was today. It's already happened. We've covered it already. It's why the markets are all up. Doing well, thanks. Passed all my chartered accountant exams. Got a new job, private equity, which I'm enjoying. Glad to see you doing well with the channel. Thank you so much indeed. Great to have you here. Hello from Germany. How are you? Ich kann nicht sprechen die Deutsch sehr gut. Become a member and I'll speak to you in your language and give you lots of perks and benefits. Martin, can you analyze Oklo at some point today? F. Caban, can I do Oklo today? The only way I can do it today, if you want Oklo as an analysis and you want it done today, you've got to go to the top of the list of the reviews. And to go to the top of the list, you are looking at a $20 super chat, or you can, for $5, you can go on the list. And then you'll be about 6 down the list. So if you want it done today, straight away, that is at least that super chat. All right, then I will do it today. I've been hearing infrastructure stocks and how they could explode in coming years. Thoughts on any stocks for the market? Been hearing about infrastructure stocks and how they could explode in coming years. I'm not sure I know what you mean by infrastructure stocks. You're talking about California rebuilding. The trouble is most of the contractors are already committed. So don't expect California to be built back in 5 minutes just because everyone's got money. It's not the case at all. It's not the case. Don't expect that. There's a lot of people we're going to be waiting now because resources is already committed. And I don't care what Donald Trump says or anyone says, you can't just suddenly rebuild from nothing if you've got no one to do it. And people are already committed. So anyway, just want to be absolutely clear. Late to the show, new subscriber, how to sign up for the Bank of America interview. How to sign up for Bank of America interview. You don't have to sign up. It'll be streamed. I'll be doing the earnings for Bank of America live on the show. LIDAR-I. Is that a stock? Is that a ticker? Up 7 grand this morning. I need a few more days like this to make up what I've lost the last month. Well, hopefully you won't because you bought the dip. Hopefully that's what you did. Kilo is a good one. Oklo. Ticker. Oh, ticker. LIDR. Okay, what about it? What about that ticker? If you want me to review a stock, you've got to go on the list or go to the top of the list. Okay. So it's sold off for a bit, but not much. Okay, if you want me to do a stock review for you, you've got to go to the top of the BlackBerry's flying, by the way. I'm looking at that now. LIDAR. Is it L-I-D? What did you call it? L-I-D-R? L-I-D-R. Yes, I've got it. This one here. You're looking at this one. Yes, we can do a stock review on this one, but to go to the top of the list, You've got to do a super chat right at the top. Otherwise, you go on the list if you do $5. That's the only way you can get a review today. Where is the list? Here is the list. It's written down on my notes here. You got Vistry Group for Vaz, $5. Then you got Honest Company, $5. And then you got Vale, $5. Poet Technologies, $5. Fitz National Beverage, $5. That's Mike Koza. Lithium Americas, Mr. Mankey. Frey. Malik Acid wants Good Nature Products. Hall of Fame. That's it. That's the list. So if you want to go to the top and you want it done straight away, I mean, really, $20 if you want it done immediately. Okay? That's the only way. I'm new to investing. I wanted to know how do people look for intrinsic value of stocks and calculate the margin safety. I do all of that on my reviews, and I explain how I calculate it. If you want to know about my reviews, this is the answer right here. On the homepage of the channel, scroll down there, Alpha Spread Stock Review Playlist. I have reviewed now over 200 stocks, doing margin analysis, every possible way of looking at a stock, news, data, targets, inside trading, who's buying, who's selling, all that stuff. And these are all the stock reviews I've done. So all you got to do is go to the list, and you can see I've just done VOR, RGLD, Gorilla, the list goes on and on and on and on. And if you want a new review done on a stock, be a member of the channel and ask me to do a review, minimum $5 super chat. You go on the list. If you want it done immediately, a bigger super chat, and that's what I do. Right. Okay, I'm now going to go to members-only chats because I can't keep up with the conversation. I want to answer everyone's questions. So what we're going to do now is go to members-only because I can't answer everyone's question. And this show does answer everyone's question. It sold off for a moment and now it's booming. And so is everything. Now here we run. Now here comes FOMO. Here comes FOMO. There we go. 136,000 just round the corner. All-time high 137. It's boom day now. Expect rates to pause. Some want it to say come down. I don't care. Pause is fine. Rate cuts in March is absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. We're starting to see the fear index move. New member.
Ali has become a member.
All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to slow the show down for 5 minutes. We're going to take a deep breath. We're going to go slower. The cadence of my voice is going to come down. We're going to slow things down. Me and Sensei have had a conversation about this, and
Fkarban donated $4.99 through a super chat. Review Oklo, please smile.
Okay, thank you. I shall write it down. Oh, review, Oklo. Oh, you want a review? Okay, it goes on the list. So let me do that. So me and Sensei said a few times, we've talked about this, and we've said the channel is growing so quickly. Remember what we started. It was for the members. It's not to become the biggest channel in the world. It's to be the best channel in the world. And it's not a channel. It's a network of channels, multiple creators that have decided it's better to be here on this show than it is to be on lots of other shows, do their own shows and compete. You're not going to compete with me. Some people go, that's arrogant. Maybe it is. It's confidence. You can't compete with me. Other YouTubers can't compete with me because I'm going to work harder than anyone. If I have to go live 20 hours a day, I will. If I need 20 creators on this channel, I will. If I need 20 channels, I will. If I need more equipment, more cameras, more resources, I'll get it. You will not compete. So that's why other creators have started to go, I just want to be with you on the network. I am determined to grow the best network in the world, and I'm never going to give up until we've done it. So that's what we're going to do. So because of that, sometimes we just got to step back, go members only, do reviews, answer questions, study some charts, not just keep building the show, because it's about you, the individual member of the channel. So let's have a quick look at where we are today and just take a reflection of where we are. We're exploding everywhere. Look at this, folks. Hopefully today we will reach In fact, not hopefully, we will reach, by tomorrow, we'll be 60,000 subscribers. We're on target for 1 million in 3 years. And think about that. We've been going 3.5 years. And in 3 more years, we will be at 1 million. And everyone's going, how could you possibly be at 1 million? Because our rate of growth doubles every month. You may remember just a couple of months ago, we were at 20,000. And here we are at 3 times that amount now. We're growing faster. So we don't want to keep growing and lose sight of the members, why we started this, what it's about. It's about individual people. Making money is easy. Making money is easy. The hard part is to keep it. And we're doing that now as well. So it's not about how big my portfolio is. My portfolio is going to $1 million live on the show. You'll all see it. That's already done. I've already got, look, if you look at the calculation, $224,000 plus 30. That's 230, 250, 259, $260,000 now I've got invested. Way over $250,000. That's going to $1 million without doing anything. So that's done. We can forget that. I don't have to buy another stock now. I could just sit on my arse and go, it's done, right? So forget that. Let's focus on people, which is exactly what we're going to do now, right? So let's get back to it. Forget about subscribers. Forget about numbers. Let's get back to the people, right? Okay, provide you the best service. Perfect day to buy the official XRP mug. He's right there, you know. He's right there, you know. So let me show you. Underneath the video right now, can you see this here? We've got a load of stuff, right? And we've got the XRP mug and all the rest of it, all right? But anyway, I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to focus on other things. There's the link if you want that. MartynLucasShop.com. Now then, let me just focus now on a few things. We've had lots of members join today. Let me spend a few minutes talking about this, and then we'll talk about other stocks and reviews and so on and so forth. Oh, hang on. I didn't write down Oklo. I apologize. I just realized. Oklo. Oklo review. Oklo. There you go. Oklo review. This is the one you mean. Let me write this down. This goes on the list. It'll be about 9th down the list because there's as I just read out to you a few moments ago. So, Oklo, and that's $5, so I can see it on the list. Whoops, sorry. I meant to press this button here. Okay. The phone line is now open. If anybody wants to call in, they can now call in.
Eli Marcos donated $1.99 through a super chat. Let's pray you get 1M subs and reach $1 million same time.
I will reach 1 million subscribers way ahead of the million. The million is at the end of the decade. So I've got 6 years. In 6 years, we'll be at 2 million subscribers. Maybe more than that, actually. By the end of the decade, we'll be double the size of Meet Kevin, who's one of the biggest YouTubers in the financial world. No question about it. No question about it. He's hardly growing at all. Graham Stepan's not growing. These are the biggest. Bloomberg's not growing. CNBC, they're not growing. And that's and you go, well, that's because they're really big. They're not really big. They're not really big when you see how many people in the world use YouTube. They just don't attract a bigger audience. That's what we're for. Anyway, let's start. So we're in members only mode. The first thing I want to do is talk to you about this. So need to update a few people. If you've just tuned the channel, if you've just tuned in, or you've just become a member, let me just update you on a few things. So we have a membership plan that was designed to help people, not to make me rich. Okay, that's why I built it the way I did. And I made the promise to you 4 years ago when I started the channel, when we had memberships, that the membership benefits would always increase. For those that have been members the longest, they get even more benefits, and the price would never go up, including inflation. So actually, it gets cheaper and cheaper over every year. So if you'd like to become a member, there's the membership link. If you are on an iOS device, request a desktop version and a browser desktop version, and that's what you do. Once you become a member, you will see underneath the channel, right down here, there are members-only live streams, members-only videos. There are many parts of content that you don't see if you're not a member. You don't even see these. Members-only streams, members-only live streams, members-only chats, and so on and so forth. So there's a whole world of content you've never seen and never will see. And the reason we do that is because when the CEOs come onto my show and when we have our interviews and our big moments, we want to provide that to our members who've supported the channel. It enables them to get information before you see it on Bloomberg, before you see it on CNBC. We've discovered many stocks where they've boomed up to our interviews because the information wasn't available anywhere else. We were first here. And CEOs contact me every day on my X and my Instagram. This is my X, this is my Instagram. They come to me. I don't go to anybody. This is my X, this is my Instagram in the chat right now. If you follow me there, you will see of all these events before they happen. I'm also on Blue Sky. Some people criticize me for that. They go, why are you on Blue Sky? Well, I'm on all the major networks. I'm on, both sides of the argument. There's my Blue Sky if you want to follow me there. So I post everything there before I do it. Before you see it, before it's available, it's there so everyone knows what's happening. There's Blue Sky. There's my X, and there's my Facebook and Instagram and Threads and all the rest of it. Anyway, so if you are a member, I will reply to all your comments, questions, and engage with you. All right, so that's what I do there. If you are also a member, I will reply to all of your comments on YouTube. So if you comment to me and ask me a question, I reply to every single one. I don't use AI, don't use bots, don't use a secretary. I do it all myself. In the evening, I sit down and I reply to everyone, and I filter it by members. If you then reply to a reply, I don't see it. Some people say, oh, he doesn't reply to my comments. That's because you reply to a reply. It doesn't filter it like that. Do a fresh comment and I see it, okay? And then I reply to you. I reply to every single member. I've replied to every single comment, and we've had 5 million views since I started this 3.5 years ago, and I've replied to every single comment from every single member. If you don't get a reply, the only reason is your comment didn't reach me because you used a profanity, a swear word in the comment or the title of your username, and that's down to you. It filters it out. So if someone calls themselves, F blah blah blah, that's their username or their comment. I won't see it. It just filters it out. Okay, so that's why, and that happens sometimes as well, right? So that's what you get there. Now, as a member, you'll also get a membership birthday song, which you can download and keep. I wonder if anyone did that yesterday, actually, that saved the clip. No, not seen it yet. And then also you get a song on Friday night on the concert. Every Friday night I have a music concert on my music channel. Here's the music. You get your first free song. You can celebrate a birthday, wedding anniversary. And if you don't know, I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. I've done the Phantom of the Opera, Vegas show, and I do all that for you. All right? So now on top of all of this, members get extra benefits as silver gold members. If you're a gold member and you can upgrade at any point you want or downgrade, you can actually have a one-on-one 1 hour a month video call with me discussing YouTube or discussing stocks. It's not financial advice, just a friendly conversation. I can provide that one-on-one 1 hour a month, okay? You can have that as well. If you're silver and you're a YouTuber and you want to go on the homepage of the channel, you can go on the homepage of the channel and I will promote you. You'll be there on the homepage of our channel so everyone can see, and everyone that does is always growing. You can see all these subscribers here. Look, there you go. Crafty Falcon, CRC, they're all growing at 10,000. This guy here is always doing well. There's my extra channel, there's the music channel, and so on. If you scroll down here, you'll see the silver members. KK2, who's a gold member. Then you go silver, James Lutz, Savage Faith, TJ Molden. They're all here. These are the silver members. They're not sponsors. I don't sponsor them all day long, but they are there for you to discover on the homepage. Okay? So there are many perks, and we keep adding things all the time. Now, what we've recently added, which everyone, look at my portfolio, look. This is why we don't have to worry about money today. We're just making money without doing anything, and we don't have to think about it anymore. We don't have to buy any more stocks now at all to reach my goals. So we also want to help people. So Sensei does all the technical charts, helps people with charts and so on. And you know how good he is at that. Ed Nevius has paid thousands of dollars to learn how to scalp trade, and he provides training on as well. And unlike other channels, they sell training programs. They're always increasing the prices. There's always a last minute coupon code. It's all rubbish. We don't do any of that. It's all free. We cover all the costs. It takes me so much time to update and keep on top of Discord. So I spend my time doing that so you can have all of those services, right? So that's in Discord. There's the Discord link. Now you can click on that link and you can pay for Discord. It's $2.99 a month, which is as cheap as we can make it. We could charge a lot more than that. Sensei said I should, but I went, no, I want everyone in the world to be able to afford it rather than, less people. I want everyone to use our services, but so we have to charge something, $2.99, and you can access it. Now you get it for free. You're not as priority as the premium customers who pay for it, but so priority goes to those customers, but you get a free service if you are a YouTube member. So once you've become a member on YouTube, come into the chat, give me your username, I'll upgrade you onto Discord. I do it manually. Now also, many of you asked how I research stocks. We've got Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread. I've got many more services that have been given to me to give to you. I just haven't got round to doing it. I cannot do any more stuff. It's got a bit ridiculous. There is the Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread. Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread are the platforms that I use, and there are without my referrals, you can't get this. You can't get free trials. You can't get the discounts. I get the best deals, and if the affiliate programs that I'm with do not give me the best deal, I don't want it. If they say meet Kevin's got a better deal because he's got 2 million subscribers, I go, I don't want it then. I got to have the best deal there is. If there isn't, I don't want it. And they go, well, we would pay you. We'll pay you $300 or $400 to do Seeking Alpha analysis reviews. Don't want it. We're going to pay you money, they've said. I go, I don't want it. If you pay me to make analysis reviews, it's worthless. Well, not for you, it's not. You get $300. Well, no, it's not, because I've been paid to make it. That's the same as me buying a stock and then talking about it. So I turn that down. I don't know if you're aware of that at all. Like all these stocks that are boomed that I'm not in, that I brought to you, all the things like XRP and Gorilla and Mobix and everything else that I bought to you, all boomed. I own none of it because would discredit the channel. I can get $300 from Seeking Alpha I could do 10 reviews a day and earn $3,000 a day from Seeking Alpha to make reviews that I already do for you for $5. But if I take money from Seeking Alpha to make reviews, I'm just like all the other YouTubers, like Travis Hoyam. Remember him on the unbelievable he is on the when he got on the Virgin Galactic thing. You remember that? They wanted to have him on. They invited him down to the spaceport because he said what he want. He said what they wanted to be said rather than what I said, which was the truth. So, and they even went to a Facebook group. She had remember I showed on the show? They invited this girl. She had a Facebook group with 12 followers. 12. And we had at the time the #1 Virgin Galactic audience in the world. Like by miles. And they didn't want me, even though I did an interview on Bloomberg, and even though I got policy changes with the wages. You remember we did all that? And we got all the petitions signed and everything else. They didn't want me. So I said, stuff them. Sling your hook, mate. Because I wouldn't do what they wanted me to do. I wouldn't say what they wanted. They went to a Facebook group with 12 followers. And they went to Travis Hoyam, who was paid by the Motley Fool to say what they wanted to hear. Unbelievable. I won't do it. You cannot come to me and give me $1 million to promote a stock or a crypto like FTX. Remember those days? They all did it. You can't come to me because I care about my viewers. So that's what the membership is about. That's why people become members. They become members because they want to support the channel. That's it. What's that? My name is... Sorry, not on my this. You can cancel Discord membership and we can onboard you. Thanks, Adam. Post your merch. Anyway, so... what was I going to say? I forgot what I was going to say there. Yeah, people become members to support the channel because live shows don't make me much money. Today's show, this show today, 239 people, I'll probably earn about $20 and I'll sit here all day for $20. But it's real, and that's why people become members. It's like paying for Netflix. People go, I watch you more than Netflix. To me, it's worth $2 a month. It's worth more than that. And I could charge more, couldn't I? If I put $1 on every single membership, I've got 800 members. I would make $800 a month for doing nothing. Leah says, why don't you do it? $1. Everybody would pay $1 more. $800 a month. Just like that. Bloody hell, that's $9,600 a year. $1 a month. Everyone will pay it, but I've said I wouldn't do it, so I'm not going to do it. And there it is. So, this is what we do. Anyway, so now I've explained all the things that we do and how it works. Now everyone's got that. I'm going to ask you to do one thing for me. In fact, it's not for me at all. I don't know why I say it's for me. All right? By the way, if you're wondering why we're not talking stocks, real investors today don't talk stocks. Real investors today sit on the beach. Investing is the red days. Now, we just go, told you so. Now we just go, I ain't bothered. Right? So that's why we're not talking stocks right now. We don't need to. XRP's going to $10. My portfolio's going to $1 million. Up and downs in between. We're not bothered. We don't need to be bothered, do we? Look at that, 4% in one day. Don't tell me you can't make money on the stock on the S&P 500. People all the time say you can't get rich owning the S&P 500. What a load of rubbish. 4%. And what's really great about it, look at that. 4%. I've outperformed crypto today. And I haven't got a sell. This is the very definition of what I've been banging on about for 4 years. XRP, great. We love it. $10. We can see it. However, you got to sell it. I've outperformed on the S&P XRP today. And I haven't got to sell it, have I? That's the point. I haven't got to sell it. I haven't got to pay 20% tax. And guess what else I get? Coming up to $1,000 a month. That's my aim. My aim is to get $1,000 a month dividends from my positions. Right now, I'm at about $400 a month. So a long way to go, but that is my aim. $1,000 a month on dividends. So don't tell me you cannot be successful with just owning the S&P. Right. So now I said, I want you to do something for me, but it's not really for me at all. It's nothing to do with me, actually, other than the fact I enjoy doing it. Right. I believe if you give to people, money takes care of itself. So I'm going to prove that to you now. This is my music channel, tiny, tiny music channel. No one watches me on my music channel. Every week we have about 30, 40 people come for my live concert because my audience are old and they don't, they're old. They watch me in theaters and cinemas. They don't use YouTube. They don't watch me on YouTube. They watch me in theaters in person. So no one watches me on YouTube. Now you can see I'm at 6,600 subscribers. At 10,000, YouTube turn on charitable giving. They do it on this channel, but this isn't a channel to raise money for charity, is it? I can't do concerts on this channel. Everybody would unsubscribe. So I need everyone to subscribe to me to get me to 10,000 so I can turn on charitable giving. And then YouTube will allow me to do concerts and events where all the money goes to the charity. So each event will be set up. It will be linked via YouTube, nothing to do with me. All the super chats, ad revenue, it all goes into the charity. Your charity, the one that you choose. And on my videos, on my channel, you will see, look, loads of videos. you can see I've got videos of me. I've got a video of me doing the Phantom of the Opera in my big theatre Vegas show. I did a tribute for Jimmy Buffett, singing with Paul McCartney. I mean, all sorts of stuff. Really, really good. I got on my Andre Bocelli moment during COVID. It went viral. All kinds of stuff on my channel. You don't have to watch the music. It's up to you. But hopefully you will. But you don't have to. But what you can do is subscribe to my channel, and once you subscribe to the channel, once I get 10,000 subscribers, you will be able to help me raise money for charity. Okay? So what we do is this. This is the channel. If you click subscribe, let me give you the link for it. I want to raise millions of dollars for charity. Now, if you don't think I can do that, I've already done it. This is my one of my many plaques I've had from Lions Club, Rotary Clubs. This is called a Jack Weech Trophy. I raised money for disabled children on the Lions Club. I did the global telethon for the Lions Club. And when we last did it, I did it their way. And there was credit card fees, taxes, deductions, blah, blah, blah. And I said, if I get 10,000 subscribers on my music channel, I can do unlimited concerts for any charity, anytime, anywhere, for anyone in the world. And all the money will go directly to them. I get nothing at all. And there's no fees, there's no credit card charges, there's no taxes. In fact, you get a tax relief because you're supporting C1D charities and all the rest of it. So if everyone now could subscribe to my music channel the same way as I promote Crafty Falcon, I would appreciate it. So let's have a quick look. Can I get this to move? 6,620. I need 10,000 to be able to do this. All right? It'd be really great. 6.62. You ready? Can everyone do it? There's the link in the chat. And then we'll come back to the news, the stocks, and so on and so forth. All right? I'll refresh it in a few seconds, if everyone can do that. You're basically helping me to help others. That's all you're doing. And then once you subscribe to the music channel, tell all your family and friends to do the same thing, and then come back to me and say, Martyn, everyone at my work, everybody in my school, everyone at my university, everyone whatever, all my family, we all subscribe to you. Would you now do a fundraiser event for cancer research, for Help the Aged, Save the Children, wars in Ukraine, yada, 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 whatever? And I'll go, yeah, as long as it's an official charity license that YouTube links to, I can link the show to it, and that'll be it. So if you subscribe to me right now, it should come up on it should show on the screen if anyone's done it. Doesn't look like anyone's done it so far. Let me have a look. 6,620. So it goes up in tens. So I can only tell if it's gone up in tens. 6.62. So I want to see 6.63. I don't know why I can't just get everyone to subscribe. I've got 60,000 subscribers, and all I want to do is give to charity. It's really, really, really hard, and I don't know why it's so friggin' hard. But anyway, 6.62. 6.6. Oh, see? Still hasn't moved. Everybody just wants what they want. I get so annoyed sometimes. I want you to tell me how to get rich on XRP, but I couldn't give a damn about your charity work. Look at that. We're pumping now. Everyone's making money. Help me out. There we go. Captain Alex. Thank you, mate. I appreciate you so much. Honestly, I'm not going to mess around. It does annoy me, if I'm honest. Anyway, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to do this. I'm going to give up on that for the minute because I can't get anyone to do it. This is what we're going to do.
Barkerman has become a member.
We are going to do... Thank you, Barkerman. We're going to do a special... We're going to do a special XRP pump. We're going to drive XRP up. You ready? We'll have some fun. Where is it? I'm going to set up an XRP pump show. There it is. Okay, we're going to do this. XRP pumping. XRP. Okay, here we go. So what we're going to do, because it's exploding now, and all we've got to do is pour gas on the fire, and everyone's going to make a lot of money. So here we go. We're going to create an event right now for you. I'm going to... There we go. Copy that. Going to create an event that is going to go berserk. You ready? 100%. 100% that this is going to go berserk. So get ready. Aggressive. Yeah. Yeah. Live now. Yeah. Okay. Markets are going to absolutely go nuts now. Thank you, Skid, for subscribing to me channel. I appreciate it so much indeed. Right, are you ready for a huge event? Is everyone excited? Redirect. There. There. This event redirects to there. Duplicate. Right, we're going to have a big pump now. Okay, here we go. There's the link. Here's the link. XRP pump live now. Thank you very much indeed. Someone subscribed to me. I appreciate that. Pin. We're going to do the poll. I asked you if you wanted me to. 81%. I wanted 80%. I got 81. We'll do it. Inauguration special, of course. XRP pump. Right. Okay, here it is. We're going to go live there straight away. We're going to be like 10 seconds, as quick as you like. I can get rid of that. Don't need that. This is where we're going. There you go. We're going there live. XRP pumping. Thank you, Skid, for subscribing to both channels. This is a huge day. You're going to love this. XRP live pumping. We're going to go live there right now. We're going to switch from this show to the main show. It's going to be very exciting. I'm sure it's going to be an absolutely 10,000 people watch. And XRP is going to continue. We see $10 on the table. Don't know if it'll get there today, of course, but this is going to be one hell of a pump. And I'm going to get right behind it and push it everywhere, because I would love everyone to get their $10. MSK will be a multi-millionaire and everybody will be as happy as Larry. And that'll make me happy, right? Disappointed that I can't get everyone to subscribe to the music channel, but it's frustrating. It really is, but it is what it is. Okay, so here we go. XRP, I think I'm all ready. The link's in the chat. It's pinned to the top. We're going to go live there right now. And let's go there right now. So you ready? I think I've got everything set. Let me make sure I have. It's going to be a huge moment. XRP, yes. Okay, and then I'm going to pump the hell out of it. Yep, I am. You ready? Okay. Join me there now live for an XRP pump. Let's get ready to rumble. Here we go.